When will this all end? I cannot stand another day living in this decrepit squalor. I know I'm capable of achieving so much more than working in that tepid meatpacking plant and wasting away in this shabby tenement. No one should have to live this wretched life. If only I could get my invention off the ground, I know it will positively impact the world. I know you could help me. Yes, the solution to all my malaise and maladies are locked in that box. Yes, that one right there. Would you help me? Please. This photo should get you started off proper. Thank you. Thank you.